Okay, so already we have discussed what is DevOps, and in the very first class I have explained it is the combination of software development with the IT operations. That is Dev plus operations, like development plus operations. And what is the advantage? It will improve the collaborations and communications between the teams in the company, and also it will faster the time to software deployment and all. So if you take one example, I will take one real-time example because many of you are here from non-IT background. So the example, like you can say, like a restaurant, okay? And in restaurants, like we have kitchens, right? And multiple peoples will be like preparing the food. So the food will be prepared by the multiple people, right? And what will happen, so they'll be continuously checking like whether the food is prepared or not, okay, and whether it is like blend properly and delivered to the customers, like to the customers on the table quickly. If customers are not getting food on time, what will happen? Maybe they won't come back, right? And it will be like a bad impressions. So here also in DevOps, like in the restaurant or kitchen, here also like it will ensure that every customer should get delicious meal on the time, okay, on the table, like quickly or efficiently. Same way, like if you talk about the technical term. So if you talk about the technical term, so here also we have software development team that uses DevOps, okay, to automate the code. Okay, if you see the restaurant, right? For example, let's say you have booked some kind of biryani, right? So that manager will pass to the chef, like just to cook the food, and they will start preparing fastly, and they will start serving in the plates, and they will give it back to the customers, right? Same way here also, like in the company, in IT company, so software development team will use the DevOps to automate the code, and after that they will do testings, and also like they will do this deployment process like faster, okay. So what will happen, this will allow them to release the update. So advantage, like what will happen here, so it will allows them to release updates to their software faster and with fewer errors. Got it, right? Okay, so the next topic is like continuous integrations. What is CI? So here also developer will frequently merge code and change into the central repository. Because like if you talk about like here example, let's say some Zomato app is there, right? So obviously one developer will be not working on this project. There will be multiple developers. Okay, multiple developers will be working on the Zomato. What will happen so one developer will write the code for the login page, and one developer will write for the sign up, for the like ordering, all the features they will get assigned, okay. And once the code is ready, then after that it will deploy to the clients, okay. If you imagine like same way here also, so multiple people will be working on the food, like in term of hotels. Okay, multiple people will be working on the cooking food, and after that they will combine the food. For example, let's say like in real time I'm talking. Okay, let's say some hotel is there or restaurant is there. So if you order like let's say some kind of roti plus paneer. So some people will be working on the roti, right? One people will be working on the roti, and one person will be making the paneer and all. And after that, once it is ready, they'll combine the food and they will serve to the customer. Same way here also. So it is called continuous integrations. Got it. And it will automate the build test and run with each integrations that will catch issue the early.
Sorry to interrupt you here.
Yeah.
Continuous integration means like you are continuously deploying a application, right?
Yes. It will automate the code testing also here, building also. Everything will be
Hmm.
like automated. And the developers will. I'll mention one more points here. Like developers will frequently merge the code, like whatever they have changes, and they will share to the like central repository, as I said, or like you can say SharePoint or repository, shared repository. So what will happen?
Okay.
So what will be the advantage here? So automated test, like whatever automated test like developers has built. Okay. So with the each merge, like it will ensure that all the code is remains stable. All whatever the code base are there, it will remains stable. Understood?
Yeah, got it.
Like in hotel also, for example, let's say like multiple people will be preparing the food, right, in different part of the meals. Like let's say like if you are ordering some like lunch, okay, some meals, there will be multiple things over there. So what will happen, like the people like manager, okay, will be continuously checking like they are blending and they are working together or not. Otherwise what will happen, one part will not get deployed properly.
Okay.
Then we have CD. Okay. So CD is like it is extended by the CI, the continuous integration, but also like it will be automatically deploying the code changes to the testing or staging environment, and it will ensure the code is always deployable state. Okay. So like for example, let's say one code will be passed to the CI state, one code will be passed to CI state, that is continuous integrations, and it will automatically deploy it to the staging environment. Okay, for the testing and verification, and they will be always like it will be always in the deployable state. Now here I have used one new term that is called staging environment, right? Okay. So it's like a staging environment, you can say like where the software will goes live, or like you can say like it is the copy of your productions environment. Okay. So where you can test the new features and change in the save. Okay. So this is about the like continuous delivery. So for example, let's say like the finished dish, okay, whatever in the restaurant hotel, the finished dish will be there, right? The finished dish is placed on the warming tray, okay, and it is ready to serve soon as the customer order it. In simple term, I'm saying like the finished dish is placed on a warming tray, okay, and you can say like it is ready to be served as soon as customer orders it. So hope this is clear now. Continuous integrations and continuous delivery. Third, we have continuous deployment. Okay, so here like it will go the like it will goes a step further. After that, like continuous delivery by automatically deploying the code change to the production server. Okay, so if the code will pass all the tests in the staging environment, this one. So whatever codes is there, if it pass all the tests, what will happen? It will automatically deploy to the productions without any manual intervention. Intervention. So if the code, you can say, passes all the tests in the staging environment, it's automatically deployed to the production without any manual intervention. Hope it is clear. And also, like for example, if you talk about the real time, okay, so you can just imagine like the dish will be automatically placed to the like conveyor, okay, that delivers it directly to the customer table soon as it is ready. So this was the three terms which we are using in the DevOps part.
CI, CD, CD,
Yeah,
two types.
we have continuous integrations, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so deployment means like the here in the continuous delivery, right? There will be like kind of a staging environment. You
Uh-huh.
can say like it is say like you can say like it is a copy of production's environment.
Uh-huh.
So if all tests is get passed in this code in this CI in the continuous delivery, after that it will in the CD continuous deployment, the code will be automatically deployed to the productions without manual interface.
Okay, okay.
Hope this is clear.
Yeah.
Okay. Like this is fine, right? Like I can go like this, no?
Yes.
Okay. I'm trying to give some real-time example also so that they can relate
Yeah.
because obviously they are not in IT background, so they have to relate something like which is in real time, and after that
Yeah.
they can start working on that.
Yeah.
Okay. So cloud importance also already we have like discussed like it can be we can scale it, it is flexible and also cost effective and global reach and automations we can do. Next is like a principle of like DevOps. This is very important in every like so many interview they have asked these questions. What are the principles of DevOps? So first is the collaboration. Okay. So here developers and operation teams and quality assurance engineers. Okay, they'll work together throughout the SDLC, that is software development lifecycle. Okay, and here like automations So what will happen, like ISC, that is infrastructure as a code, is it is used here in automation, that will automatically manage or do the provision to the server. Okay. For example, if you talk about the in the real time example here, in kitchen, so there will be like a dishwasher, right? So dishwasher will automatically clean the dish dishes. So in similar way here also, there will be like IAC, that is infrastructure as a code. So what will happen here, it will automatically manage the server. Okay, now talking about the next terms, that is continuous improvement. So what, how you can relate this, here I have mentioned one point called to evaluate and optimize the process. Like if we talk about the real time, like hotel, so here, so restaurant will gather the customer feedback, okay, to improve the dishes and services. Okay, if you talk about technical terms, so DevOps team will be there, which will tracks the metrics. Team will track the matrices, deployment frequency and mean time to recovery, the identity or area of improvement. Recovery to identify areas of improvement. Now we have like next term is customers centricity. So it will focus on the delivering the value to the end users. Again, we have feedback and then we have monitoring. Okay. So even example also I have added here. So what will be the workflow of DevOps? Developers will write the code, commit the changes to the version control like GitHub and all. And next is a build. Okay. So here what will happen, like CI, that is continuous integration server, which will detect the changes and automatically build the code. Then we have test. Okay, that is automated test that will verify the code quality and functionality. Then we have deployment. So if the test passes, the code will automatically deploy to the staging environment. Then we have test again. Then we have deployment to the productions. If everything if everything goes well, okay, the code will automatically deploy to the production server. Then we have to monitor the continuously to the for the performance and issues. That will be whatever the issues are there, it will be logged down. It will be logged in the system. So this was the topic which they have mentioned, and the DevOps introductions, and the something about CI/CD and continuous deployment. Anything else you want to ask apart from this?
Any practical will be there?
After this practical will be there. Like now next topic they have mentioned like Git. I'll be starting with the Git in the next session.
Okay.
Yeah. So this will be like fully practically. This class session was only to know about the
Yeah.
principle of DevOps and the introduction part.
Okay.
So
Okay.
because if they don't know these terms and all, what will happen? Like they'll not get to know the software also, right? In software also, these terms are mentioned over there.
Yeah. Yeah.
So shall I continue this Git in tomorrow's class?
Yeah. 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 You can.